At this time, we're going to go to 6.0, which is the 2019-2020 progress review. That is the purpose of this workshop. Each year, the superintendent and administration provides a report to the board on the district's strategic plans, its progress, and goals for the current year. At this time, I'd like to introduce our superintendent, Dr. Greg Little, and he is going to take it away. Dr. Little?
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. And again, I appreciate the board's flexibility for today, with last week being really incredibly difficult to try and make the board workshop with the first couple weeks of school as well as the holiday. So thank you for your flexibility. Over the last few months, we have really been focused on reentry, about providing each student a rich, robust, and rigorous learning experience, while at the same time providing for their health and safety of both the students as well as the adults in the building. I want to say tonight that I feel like our strategic plan has really played an important role in that, because it's helped us maintain our focus. It's helped provide that direction that we so desperately need, and we've been able to keep our vision and our mission at the forefront. So our vision being empower each child to design the future, and our mission being that we want to cultivate a caring community where all learners, and we capitalize that, where all learners are extraordinary communicators, collaborators, creators, and critical thinkers. Now, despite the fact that we've been navigating these uncharted waters, it's provided us with, again, that sense of direction. We think about it as a true north, as a compass on where to go, and even as a sounding board when we're working through different ideas that we are as we're moving forward. And so while COVID-19 has really driven most of our conversation and will continue to do so, and rightfully so, we want to start looking at some data points that we think indicate we made a lot of progress last year. And Dr. Phillips is going to come up and talk a little bit about that, and about how our district achieved and how we were able to move that vision and mission forward.